Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to talk to you about Google Documents, and in particular, I want to show you that AI has come to Google Documents and it is a piece of cake to use. And not only that, it has multiple things you can do inside Google Documents, and there's even a marketplace. I'm going to show all of this to you in maybe like 2 minutes or so max. So let's get going. The first step, you want to go to labs.google. I will put a link in the description below. When you're on this website, you get a few different options. You can sign up for a bunch of these. They're all waitlisted. But here's the thing, the Google Workspace is the one that you want here. When you click join the waitlist, it is now at the point where it automatically accepts you. The only exceptions are if you're in like a country like Canada, for example, which happens to be my country, you will be told that you can't join. However, if you are to use something like, I don't know, something that rhymes with EPN, you can get in just like I've done here. Again, not saying nothing, just do what you need to do. All right, once you've gone ahead and been accepted, and again, it is right away, then go to docs.google.com like I've done here. Links in the description below, of course. I'm going to click on blank and presto, we are going to be cooking. Now, right away, you're going to see this little pen icon and it says, help me write. That is your AI prompt writer. It is going to help you. I'm just going to left click on that. And then it says here, whatever you want help with or whatever you want to write about, just type it in. So what are we going to go? Top 5 free AI tools of 2023, something like that, just something nice and random. I'm going to click on create. It's going to do some thinking. And then I'm going to show you a couple of the features that come with it. So here are the 5 that it gave me, and these make sense. OpenAI Gym I haven't tested yet. But whatever, that's not the point. The point is it gives you 5 good cracks at it. If you don't get what you want, you can recreate, which is basically the same as redo. You can also refine it. So if you want it to be, if the wording is too informal, you can formalize it, you can shorten it, you can elaborate it, and you can even rephrase it, the whole thing or in parts. I'm going to go ahead and hit insert. And there we go. Now it's in the document, and it's kind of like basically like ChatGPT, but you don't have to go into ChatGPT and then into your document, so to speak. So I've gone ahead and selected this part here, and then I can go over here to the left side, and I can again click on this, and then it will allow me to formalize this section. So if I wanted to formalize, shorten, elaborate, or rephrase it, maybe I'll hit rephrase just for kicks. Why not? So there we go. We're taking this little paragraph and we're rephrasing it. Okay. I like the way that's written. I will replace it. It is that simple. There is more, however. Check this out. If you go up here to the top to extensions, you'll also see that you can get add-ons. So what I've done is I've added in something called WriteMate AI Writing Assistant. And when I use this one here, you can see here that I can do things like rewrite, shorten, expand, continue writing, show synonyms. So if I don't know what a word means, like aforementioned, of course I know what it means, but if I was to pretend that I didn't know, I could just select that word, go to my extension, go down to show synonyms, and watch this. It's going to go ahead and cook up on the right side the synonyms for aforementioned. It'll take just a quick second here. And again, this is an add-on script. Okay, suggestions, aforementioned, previously mentioned, above mentioned, previously stated, previously listed. Okay, yeah, not too bad, not great. You get 10 free credits a day on this apparently. But if you want to add in things above and beyond, you can just go to add-ons, get add-ons, and then it will open up a marketplace where you can pay for things or you can get free things. And again, you can scroll through this here, but I mean Miro if you're into that whiteboarding stuff, business essentials, apps to discover, email integration, Salesforce, etc., etc. AI is in Google Docs now. It is awesome. Thanks for watching.